solve for x. Alright, what would be the first step? It's just like the other one we just did, right? Okay, Shabani, can you tell me what's the first step now?
We'll use property number 4. So it would be log of
Problem number 4 is this one.
oh, over here. Okay, maybe I wrote the wrong number. Property number 2.
We're still going to use property number 2 to combine them. So if I do that, I get log of what? Base is the same as 6.
Times y. X plus 1 times x minus y.
X plus 1 times x minus, this is 4. X minus 4. Equal to 2.
Oh, x minus 4.
So, what would be the next step? Okay, which property we're going to use now? List them up here. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Anyone? Okay, Shabani says property number 1. Does that make sense? Yeah, we have to write 6 to the power of 2 is equal to what? Anyone? Okay, you want to write the property again? So I have log of x is equal to y with the base b. We will change it to the exponential, get b to the power of y is equal to x. So my b is 6, my y is 2, so what is x? 6 to the power of 2 is equal to what? What is x in this case?
X plus 1, x minus 4.
Yeah, all these are x, right? So that would be x plus 1 times x minus 4. So here we don't have any logarithm now. So that would be, if I multiply this together, I get x squared. Then I get minus 4x plus x would be minus 3x. And then I get minus 4 is equal to 36. And then just solve for x. Does that make sense, everyone? This is 2. So let's move everything to one side of the equation. We get x squared minus 3x minus 4. If I subtract 36 from both sides of the equation, that will be equal to 0. So here we have it, x squared minus 3x minus what? $40, right? Equal to 0. Now, how would you solve for x? X squared minus 3x minus 40. What would be the best way to solve for x here? Anyone?
Factor.
Okay, factor. Is this factorable? Okay, how do you factor them?
5 and 8.
5 and 8. Okay, so we're going to have minus 8 plus 5. Right? That's how you get negative 3. Okay, so it means x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5, or x minus 8 is equal to 0, x is equal to 8. You have to check your answer, make sure if these are a real solution or not. But how about if this weren't a factorable? How would you solve for x if it was not factorable? Anyone? Okay, nobody responding tonight.
Quadratic formula.
Yeah, can use quadratic formula. Everybody remember the quadratic formula? You're gonna see this in the final exam also next test. If I have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, if this is not factorable, x would be equal to minus b plus and minus. Anybody remember the formula here? What goes under the radical?
4 squared minus 4ac,
You mean b squared, right?
yeah, I'm sorry, b squared minus 4ac and then 2a
Yeah.
underneath.
Okay. Please make a note of this. Everybody should know how to solve second order equation using quadratic formula if it's not factorable or if it's too hard to factor. So we could use quadratic formula if this weren't factorable.